What's going on, guys? My name is Charity and today we're talking all about easy healthy snacks. Now, I know when you go to the grocery store looking for snacks, the first thing you probably don't think about is like, what is the healthiest thing on this rack? But if you like snacking and you're trying to be a little bit more mindful of what you're eating, I think these snacks are great. They don't take a lot of time, which is perfect if you're on the go. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first snack is really simple. It's basically like a mini parfait. So all you're gonna need for this one is 2 ingredients. So this is the Chobani Greek yogurt in raspberry, and I just buy the packets that come in like 4 from Target. And this one I think is from Costco, but it's basically the Quaker Simply granola. And so all I do is basically just open this guy right here, and I will just add some granola to it. And that is basically it. It's super simple, guys. It literally takes like a couple seconds. So I used to just eat this by itself, and then I tried it with the granola. It's amazing. However, if you're trying to like cut down on calories, just be aware that granola does contain a lot of calories. There's about 210 per serving. So this one probably has like 150 just from the granola. Just be aware of that if you're trying to eat less calories during the day. Okay, so the next one is really simple. It's basically called peanut butter nachos, or like apple nachos, something like that. Anyways, what you're gonna use is some apples. I like the Granny Smith one. We're also going to use peanut butter. This one is a Justine's classic peanut butter, naturally delicious. And we're also gonna use granola again. So this is a really simple recipe. You're just going to cut up the apples, drizzle on the warm peanut butter, and then add the granola on top. And it's a pretty healthy snack. Just remember that peanut butter does contain a little bit of fat. Alright, so the next one is probably one of my favorites. It has like all the ingredients that I love. For this one, again, we're also going to use peanut butter, banana, and then also chocolate. So of course this is not super healthy. I kind of just got the Baker's dipping chocolate, just like this, and I thought it'd be easier to use. But if you want it a little bit healthier, maybe use dark chocolate instead of just regular milk chocolate. But I went with this one because it's just easier. For this one, all you're gonna do is cut up the banana into small bites, and then you're gonna sandwich it between the peanut butter. And then once you warm up the chocolate, just dip it in and then put it in the freezer and just freeze it for, I don't really know, 20 minutes or so, or as long as they get hard. And yeah, I think this one's really tasty, and again, super simple to make. So this is another snack that I used to do all the time back when I was a little bit younger, and it's basically just frozen grape skewers. This one's really simple. All you're gonna do is grab your grapes and throw them in the freezer. They taste like little popsicles. What I like to do is if you have like long skewers, then you could put the grapes on there. It's kind of like a popsicle treat. So yeah, that one's super simple, and it's a great way to snack on something cold if you're craving like ice cream or something like that. Okay, so if you're going through all these recipes and you're still thinking, Charity, I don't have time and I don't want to take like 5 minutes out of my day to make these recipes, I have something for you guys. It's this one right here. So these are the Nutter Puffs peanut butter pop chips. They're kind of like the healthier version of processed junk food. So they have 5 grams of protein, 130 calories, non-GMO, gluten-free. Yeah, pretty healthy chips. And I think I heard about this through Mariana, who's also like a fitness YouTuber. These are great to snack on if you like peanut butter, and they have like a really subtle flavor. It's not super sugary, so if you're looking for something like that, this is not it, but it is still addicting. When I bought my first bag, I finished it in like one sitting, and it was really hard for me to not open this one because I was really tempted to eat it, but I stopped myself. So that's all the healthy snacks I have for you guys today. Hopefully some of you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys try any of these out. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for 2 videos a week. I post videos on everything related to fitness and sometimes not related. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. For this one, all you're gonna do is grab your grapes. Oh no. So this is a really simple recipe. You're just going to cut up the apples.